how to protect yourself from a stock market crash. What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devaughn back again with another video, and today we're talking about how to protect yourself from a stock market crash. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, before we get started, I want you to understand that this is just my personal opinion, okay? I'm not saying this is the only way to protect yourself from a stock market crash or recession, but this is how I would do it and have done it and am doing it, okay? I'm not a stock market guru or anything like that, but the fact that all these folks are talking about the stock market crash and the recession is coming in some shape or form, I figured I would go through the steps of protecting yourself from a financial downturn in the economy, okay? So let's get into my 4 steps to protecting yourself from a stock market crash. All right, number 1, don't panic, all right? People that push the panic button when they see their stocks going down shouldn't invest in stocks at all, okay? There will always be a correction in the stock market, okay? A correction in the stock market is a 10% or greater decline in the price of a security from its most recent high. It's just that simple. Stop being so scary. Let's say if you have some stock in a certain company and maybe that stock went down 2%, don't get scared and start selling, okay? Maybe if it's like a crazy downturn or the company collapse, you would hear about that ahead of time. And if that's the case, then you would probably want to sell or something like that. But just a basic little correction in the stock market, do not panic with that. Number 2, invest for dividends. This is how you don't panic, okay? Because when you invest for growth and to gain capital from stocks rising, this form of investing is much more speculative and it could have a bad, end in the long run, okay? But if you're putting your money in stocks that will provide you with the steady flow of income from dividends, you don't have to worry about, I have to sell my stocks because it's going down, or oh my God, the stock market is going down, there's a correction in the market, I'm losing so much money. But in reality, if you just hold the dividends, if you hold the stock, you'll still get paid your dividends. It might be a little bit less based off the amount of stock, and you can reinvest and grow your portfolio from your dividend income until you need it. All right. Number 3, diversify your investments. Never just invest in the stock market. You can put your money in things like peer-to-peer lending, investing in real estate, which gives you a great return. I have videos on that. Or investing in actual companies through an app like NewChip, okay? I made a video that discusses NewChip in detail and how to use it to invest. Check that out when you can. It should be popping up right now. All right, number 4, start and build a online business, okay? Don't just start it. Build a online business. I don't know if you expected me to say anything else, but starting and continue to build an online business will do a few things for you. A, keep money coming in on a downturn in the stock market. B, give you the opportunity to invest in the stock market without having to use your job income. And C, protection from you losing it all if you happen to lose your job due to the market going south or some type of recession. Because honestly, when the money is good, people want to make more money. When money is bad, people want to find out how they can make more money. Okay, so if you have an online business, especially if it's like a work from home opportunity or start your own online business opportunity, something that's going to help people do that, then that is definitely something you should have in the right pocket for any good times, bad times, doesn't matter. Okay, so remember. Number 1, don't panic. Number 2, invest in dividends. Number 3, diversify your investments. And number 4, start an online business, okay, to fund your investment portfolio and to protect yourself and family in an economic downturn. And my bonus tip number 5, hold cash in a high interest savings account, okay? Hold cash in a high interest savings account. It's a lot of online savings account that have higher interest than a regular brick and mortar bank, okay? And if you want to check that link out also, there's a link in the description for that. Now, in my opinion, this is what you do to protect yourself from a stock market crash, all right? That's it. This is those simple things. Again, don't panic. Invest in dividends. You always want to have a dividend portfolio, even if maybe you have some growth stocks. You need a dividend portfolio. Diversify your investments. Start an online business to fund your investment portfolio and to protect yourself and family in an economic downturn. And number 5, my bonus tip, hold cash in a high interest savings account, which probably you can find online for fairly cheap. And if you haven't found one, there is a link in the description for one. All right. And if you're ready to get started with buying stocks, you can do so just for $5. And we will even give you the $5 to get started with. Okay. So you have no excuses. Okay. You can be like, oh, I don't got no money. I don't even got a job. You can do it without a job because I will give you the $5 to get started with. So go ahead, click that first link below. All right, thanks for watching. It's your boy Devaughn, signing off for how to protect yourself from a stock market crash. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.